Hindi ya mihang'o ya Kerugoya mweri wa guthingata ihooto cia ciana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga igoti-ini ria Akiruguria. Mihang'o eno igitongorio ni mucirithania wa igoti rinene ria kung'ethanira na macira ma migunda John Mutugi. Mutugi augite ihooto cia ciana no nginya ithingatwo na njira igwete, na mweri-ini uyu wa ikumi megukorwo making'ethanira na macira megie ciana.
All these good magistrates you see here this week and the following weeks are dedicated to making sure that every single children's case that is before these law courts can be dealt with, either disposed of or fast-tracked.
Mwena-ini wake mucirithania augite ni mekunyitanira na honge ciothe gutigirira macira megie ciana ni marika naihenya.
We intentionally and deliberately find time so that children matters can be dealt with expeditiously and on priority.
Maabithaa wa thitango cia muingi Lydia wa ng'ombe augite ta mwena wa thitango megutigirira ciana ni ciamukira kihooto na njira igwete.
That the judiciary has taken the issue of representation of children very seriously. I can confirm to members of public that there are no children in conflict with the law who are not represented, at least in Kerugoya law courts. We are sure of that. So we appreciate the steps that have been taken by our honorable judges and magistrates.
Lois Mogore ni maabithaa wa ciana na murunawe wa githomo Kennedy Machora makiuga gukoretwo na macira maingi ma ciana kuhatiririo na uguo ni marabatara ihooto cia ciana ithingatwo.
Children rights are human rights also. The only difference is that when adults can claim their own rights, children depend on adults to provide their rights. Because of the very nature of being children, they lack capacity to negotiate. And that is why we need to put some extra effort to make sure that children enjoy their rights.
Na niguo gutigirira ati ihooto cia ciana ni ciathingatwo na njira njega mweri-ini uyu wa 11 magoti mothe guku bururi-ini megukorwo magikirira makiria gutigirira ati macira megie ciana ni mathikiririo na matuithanio na njira njega. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini ria Akiruguria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Mwena-ini wa Kieri.